So today I'll be showing you how to change the DNS settings on your Windows 11 computer quickly. So to do so, simply go to the bottom left Windows icon, right click it, and then click Run. Now once you're here, you're going to want to type in ncpa.cpl and press OK. That should open up this incoming page. As you can see here, network connections, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi. Now once you're here, so now in my case, since I'm using the Wi-Fi and not the Ethernet, however it works the same for both, you can go ahead and right click and then find Properties and click Properties. Then once in Properties, you're going to you'll want to go and click Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4, this one right here, make sure it's correct, and then go to Properties. Now once you're in Properties, once here, all you'd have to do is you don't touch the IP. You would simply be going to use the following DNS server address, or addresses in this case, and then you can set it to the one that you like, whether it's a Google DNS or any other DNS that you'd want to alternate from, and you can use the preferred and then the alternate, type it in, press OK, and then just like that you would have changed your DNS successfully. I'd recommend restarting your computer at that point, and then at any point if you don't want to have this anymore, you simply follow the same methodology that we did to find this and go back to obtain DNS server from the address automatically, and then click OK. And then just like that, that is how you go ahead and change your DNS settings on your Windows 11 computer. So hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.